Hey guys, Kat here from Arbogast Truck Country, and I have another huge lifted truck to show you today. This is a Ford F-350 dually Lariat Black Widow lifted truck from SCA Performance. The exterior color that you're seeing is that beautiful rapid red paint. It's a 4-door crew cab body style with a 4x4 drivetrain. Ford first introduced the Super Duty V8 line of engines in 1958, but it wasn't until 1998, 40 years later, that they introduced the Super Duty chassis, and that was able to make the debut in the 1999 sales year. Since then, this has been the #1 selling heavy-duty truck, and it remains the top industry leaders in innovation and power. This truck is equipped with a 6.7-liter Powerstroke V8 turbo diesel engine with a 10-speed transmission and a 410 limited slip axle ratio. When you have the best heavy-duty truck, you need the best conversion company, which is where SCA Performance comes in. From top to bottom, this truck has been completely overhauled by their expert engineers and truly is made one of a kind. They started with upgrading the front bumper here to the Super Duty bumper with Rigid Industries LEDs. So when you have the best heavy-duty truck and the best conversion company, you of course are wanting the best materials. So they've started with the 4-inch suspension lift kit from FabTech. Right below that, you're going to have the 20-inch fuel wheels wrapped in 37-inch Nitro Trail Grappler tires. Moving up, you're going to see the bolt-on style fender flares, premium quality badging, and custom power running boards, which are necessary to get into this giant. Ford Motor Company gives you roof clearance lights, tow hooks, and power scoping heated side mirrors, 48-gallon fuel tank, tough bed spray and bed liner, and pickup box tie-down hooks. The performance capabilities on this include the 4-wheel anti-lock brake system, mono-beam coil front suspension with stabilizer bar in addition to the heavy service front suspension and engine block heater. Also included is the gooseneck hitch kit, 5th wheel hitch prep package, and FX4 off-road package that gives you features such as the trailer brake and sway controllers, hill descent control, skid plates, and a power releasing tailgate to make towing and hauling a one-person job. Inside, the Black Widow upgrades continue with the black leather interior with custom stitched Black Widow headrests. And then you have the gauge cluster upgrade with the 8-inch productivity screen. Lariat is the highest trim level, so luxury is expected and delivered with a push-button start, twin-panel panoramic sunroof, B&O premium 10-speaker sound system, and an 8-inch touchscreen with Sync 3, Sirius XM, Ford Pass Connect, navigation, and rear-view camera. We've gone a step farther and added upfitter switches in the Lariat Ultimate package, which gives you a remote start system, heated and ventilated front seats with heated rear outboard seats, and the rear seats are 60/40 bench style with underseat storage. Security features on this include the advanced security pack, blind spot information system with rear cross traffic alert, and tire pressure monitoring system for all 6 tires. The warranty on this is an impressive 5-year, 100,000-mile diesel engine warranty. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you'd like more information on this truck, you can visit arbogastford.com, call 888-919-1635, or come see our friendly sales staff at Dave Arbogast Ford, located off I-75, exit 69 in Troy, Ohio. Look for that giant American flag, and we'll see you soon.